Salmon Market. Let's go. Let's go. Ayan na guys, oh. Ito na, tanghulo, prutang.
Make it organized. Put this one.
The cook here is like this, oh. Crab stick to guys. Give beef. Guys, ito yung oyster, oh, yummy. Wait.
You want all of this? To the vlog.
Give strawberry has no more drying, ha?
200 USD. I don't know. Remember the what?
Sobrang laki.
Oh, it's so cool.
Nice. Suhan ko.
Sarap.
Sarap. Sobrang laki yung sarap na mukha ko. Sarap.
Maybe you should put water. Stick on mine.
Sarap. Nice, right? Sarap also. Nakamayin pala. Small 1,050. Oh, ayan, daddy talaga hindi alam. Yeah, I know.
Mamilo.
Okay, go. Ay. Grilled. Can I have this one? Grilled. What? Let's go. Forget. This is a girl. Hi. This is, oh, wow. This is the uni. Uni. Nice. Okay, let's go. Guys, ito, sweet. Let's eat. Cream time dessert after namin magmukbang. So guys, ayan, tapos na kami magmukbang.
We're going to the Sanrio.
Sanrio shop.
Yeah.
Guys, good morning. So this is our day 2 sa Osaka, Japan. Please ha, behave, okay? I take a video, dali. Stand sila take video, eh. Nice. Okay, take video. Cheese! Sila yan, dali. Cheese!
Hi, boy.
Papapuri! Yan guys, ito ang daytime ng Osaka! So, idong naman there. Together with Jeje. Dali. Say cheese! Cheese! Nice! Okay ka? Wow! Pretty! Okay. Isang bisonoti ha. Thank you. Tara, let's go. Let's go. Sandri. Yun na. Yun na. We don't hold it. And tea break muna kami. Let's go.
Can I show them? Can I show them the crab?
Yeah. Oo, yeah.
That's done.
We will buy that. Banana.
In the airport, we will only buy.
Guys, ayan. Guys, ayan. So far, okay naman yung travel namin. Si Adong naman, it's very naughty talaga, guys. So, next time, maiiwan na siya. Hindi na namin siya sasama. So, tinatakpan mo, hindi naman yan yung screen. Next time, you are not going na. Okay, guys, I'm just telling you.
Wow! Outfit check. Now, what do we have?
I'm just wearing this one. Clothes and
Crop
skirt.
top and skirt. And what is that?
Bag.
What kind of bag is that?
LB bag.
Oh, it's so gold. Earrings. Gold. Where did you get it from? This is gold, Jeddah.
Our grandpa. Grandpa. Oh, you're so pretty.
She took
Outfit
my
check.
hair and I don't know where did she buy it from.
From Zara nga.
And this watch, I don't know where did she buy it from. And this shoes, I don't know who buy it.
Skechers, Zara.
I just know
Zara.
this is from
Then you're from
Sarnia.
Then you're from
I am
China.
from-
China.
I am from her, yeah.
Not when.
In Singapore.
Yeah, nice.
And I born from 2025. My birthday is 1st November. Oh man, how come she got money?
Okay,
Money. I think that not elbow. Yeah, not elbow. But I like the ice cream. Mommy, can you show them my eating egg? At least give me the jelly. Can you give me the jelly?
Nice.
Look, Pikachu. Pikachu.
Ayan, ito kami sa Pokemon Cafe.
Look at this and petting him.
Yeah,
Nice, Kyo.
How did they cut it?
So guys, ayan, tapos na kaming kumain. Yung next is yung Pikachu show. Ayan, inaabangan namin. Let's go! Grabe si Kyo guys, naka-finish ng 2 plate ng Pikachu set. Si Adong di kumain. Wala kang toy. Eh, di ka kumain eh. Ay, nakakaintindi pala ng Tagalog. O sige, you have toy. You have toy na, okay. Ay! Hindi ko naintindihan yung sinasabi nila guys. Japanese eh.
ポケモンカフェで流行ってにそういった簡単な振り付けが出てきますので、こちらもぜひご挑戦してみてください。音楽お願いします。
Can understand? Can understand? Wala, hindi ko talaga maintindihan guys.
I can understand.
Tapos na kaming kumain sa Pokemon Cafe. So, mamimili kami ng toys. Natin si Aliyah. So, nice.
Oh, that's funny.
Okay na, Aliyah.
I think 5,500.
Wow,
Make sure
magkano lang yung
everything
na.
Kimpopan eh.
Okay, it's popping. So guys, ayan. Magbabayaran na. Para makauwi na kami. Nakakapagod.
2,000.
Ang dami yung gusto.
Mommy's so cute.
Guys, this is chameleon, right?
Charmander. Charmander. This is Charmander. Mommy, look, this is Jigglypuff.
Para kayong anak ni Henry C. Dami niyong pabili. Diyos ko. Nakagyung parang dati there.
What's that? What's that?
Nowadays, napakadami mong pabili ha. Kala mo anak ni Henry C. May kada iyak mo may toys ka. Tatayo na eh. Ayun na ba yan? Ako, daming pabili na.
Look what I buy.
Let's go na.
Mommy, look,
We're going home.
Sure that I buy the Sanrio.
Yeah, you buy so many. Oh. There. The cheese.
Finally I see a smile.
Nice. Smile, guys.
Smile.
Nice. Nice lang siya. One piece. Guys, ayan, bago kami bumalik ng hotel, mamimili muna kami ng chocolate dito. Hindi ko alam kung saan to.
Let's go.
Ito yung mga favorite ng mga kids.
5 more.
Ito. Ang dami mabibili dito, no? Ito. Na-realize ko lang, guys, mas mura yung mga bilihin dito compare sa Pilipinas. Totoo ba? Mga nakapunta na ng Japan.
Purple one.
Kanya-kanya kayo ng basket. Oh, it is yours, oh.
Okay, we're going crazy now.
Ay,
Mommy. Mom, look at this. It's the same.
okay, same,
Oh,
right?
yeah, that's the same. Can I see? Yeah, that's the same.
It's all yours? So many?
Other one.
Older one, okay. Guys, ayan, payment na kami. Wala, ang dami yung dadalhin, B.
A lot.
Wala.
But look at that. We buy so many.
Let's go na nga.
Let's start.
See? So naughty
You
don't
got
order this
here.
Naughty you are eh. Everything you want eh. Oh, pag di nabibigay kasi mo, tumatapang ka ha. Mamaya lagot sa akin.
Like Aliyah. Inside, it's ours.
Kaya namili na kami ng sampo. Wala, 25. Maging 25,000. Oh, tax free para dito, B. Kaya namili na kami. Marami dami. Yan na! Let's go! Yan na! So, we're reaching home na. I'm so tired. Let's go home. So, guys, hotel na kami. Let's go. Naman tuwan-tuwa kasi puro candy yung dala natin eh. Kaya tuwan-tuwa eh. Put the card dito.
And we buy tampon.
I'm so tired. Let's go. Ayan, hotel na kami. Naka-check-in sa mga nagtatanong Centara Hotel and Resort. Oh, it's Osaka.